Goldify is consolidating inside this box. So for today, since ang high impact news is the testimonial of Chairman Jerome Powell, ito po yung galaw kahapon. Noong nag-testify siya, ito, alas 10 to, 22. Ganyan yung kandila. Boom! Tapos binalik lang din. Siguro makikita natin sa 15, makikita mo. Kita mo yung tusok, boom, boom. Binalik din. So right now, si gold po is consolidating inside this box since Tuesday, since yesterday. We need to break outside. Okay? So for the meantime, for me, ine-expect ko will probably be a trading range nitong 2,370 and 2,350 area. Okay? So 20 blocks si gold. Sabi natin kanina doon sa mga nasa Discord natin, pag nasa taas, upper portion ng box, you just look for short opportunities. Okay? Pag nasa baba, look for long opportunity until bumasag tayo. Okay? Ang crucial for me dito sa gold is ito. Alam nyo, may mas malaking box kasi itong si Goldify. Ito yung mas malapad na range niya, 2287 to 2387. If you're going to notice, baba ko sa H4 sa price action, kita nyo tong konso na to, no? Ilang beses na tinamaan? Isa, dalawa. Be very careful once na silipin ulit natin tong area na to very soon. Ay, kung mabilis natin sisilipin, didikitan natin to, there is a probability na basagin to. Ay, kasi masyadong dikit, no? Sa price action, pagka masyado siyang dikit and maraming times niya nang tinatch, okay, the probability of breaking it is high. Pero kung halimbawa ang gagawin ni Goldify is gumanyan, tapos mag-form tayo ulit dito, ni-revisit ulit natin to, tsaka tayo gumanon. Pag tumaba na naman dito, untog na naman yan. So, ito pong trend line na to, for me, trend line na yan, kailangan natin tutukan mabuti kasi pag nag-consolidate yung price dyan sa trend line at hindi bumasag pababa, most likely babasagin natin tong 2387 level. Pag binasag natin yan, medyo malayo-layo ang takbuhan natin dahil papunta po tayo sa all-time high ni gold. Pag tumama sa all-time high, most likely correction ulit. Bakit po? Kasi ang tagal na niya bago niya binisita. Pag tumama yan somewhere here to 434 or somewhere here to 449 to 450, kukuha ng liquidity doon, boom! Massive correction na naman tayo. Alright? Pero saka na natin problemahin to. Ito muna sa breakout nito. Now, what are you going to do? Next attempt, kung talagang babasag to, okay, you have to change your bias. Kung naka-short ka, kailangan mong i-flip yung bias mo. You have to go long all the way and ride it all the way papunta dito sa all-time high, near all-time high. Kasi magbi-bleed yung short mo kung pababayaan mo yun. Okay, kaya importante, again, eto po, nasa GTF, right? Combination of position size and leverage at risk and trade management. Marami pong magagaling mag-TA pero hindi magaling mag-manage ng trade. Yari pa rin. Eto, babalikan ba to pag bumasag dyan? Most likely, re-revisit ulit itong 2387. The problem is, if you don't know how to manage your trade, you'll get liquidated here. Only to find out, binalikan ka pala. Alright, follow for more Tito Moves!